Another way you can stay on top of your social media is using a plugin for WordPress called Leenk.me. Leenk.me. Now, once you go to that site, you will actually have to purchase this plugin, and you can get a personal account or a business account. The personal account is $5 per year, but you also get a month free, and you don't have to pay until after the month ends. So you get your month free first. So you're getting 13 months for $5. Or you can get a business account for the same that works the same way. Only it's $15. Now, membership and pricing you see here is a little bit different. You can manage up to 3 accounts with the personal account and up to 10 with the business account. So if you have to have more than 10 if you have more than 10 sites, and then you're probably going to have to buy more than one account, is what I would think. So now, once you have signed up, then you simply just go in and sign in with your Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever you want to use. They also use FriendFeed, which I don't have a FriendFeed account. But once you have that, then you will also need this API key to set the plugin up on your WordPress dashboard. So once you get everything rolling, then you're going to go into your WordPress WP admin page, and you see here is the actual API, and from there you choose what you want to enable the social network module to post on: Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and you want to select the type of post, which I have chosen post and page, which I think I'm going to take the page off and just have post. And I also have chosen to have Bitly, which is the link shortener tool, for my link URL shortener. And they offer a couple different ones: TinyURL and Twitter Friendly. URLs, I don't even know what that is. WP.me, that's pretty popular. But Bitly is probably the best one you could go with, in my opinion. And once you are signed in here, then you can choose under the Twitter category here. If you want to change some of the way the tweet is formatted, you can do so by coming in here and entering in the different things that it tells you here. If you put in these %sign URL, it'll change it to display the tiny URL of your post in your Twitter feed. Cats displays the categories of your post, and tags displays tags of your post in Twitter feed as a hashtag. That probably wouldn't be a bad one right there to go with, because I'm going to add that one in. Okay. And we'll hit save. And if you want to check to make sure that these are working, you can send a test tweet, and you can see here that we have a Twitter success. And then you can open your Twitter up, and you should have a new post there. Okay. And here you see we have testing the Link M Twitter plugin. And here's where I added this hashtag WordPress link.me. And now I'll actually just delete that because it's not anything important. So we have everything set up, and you can do the same thing for your Facebook, and right on down the line, here's your Facebook. And if you wanted to change some things, it tells you exactly what you need to do. and default description, excerpt, site name. Facebook recommends images that are 1200 by 630 pixels. And LinkedIn is this one here. And you see I have it set up to post with all categories. So it looks like we're ready to go. I really have enjoyed using this linked plugin. I've been using it for a number of years. So I highly recommend that you get it and just start using it from the beginning. It will save yourself a lot of work. That way, every time you make a new post on your blog, you don't have to come in here to your blog and then come over and open up the post and hit the share button or anything like that. It will simply automatically post. See, now if we didn't have the actual LinkedIn Link.me plugin installed, we would have to come in here and do it manually, which it can be a little bit overwhelming. So keep that in mind. It saves you a lot of work and a lot of headaches. So hope you enjoyed the video. We'll talk again in the next one.